Like, I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl jadatyshene back with another video, and today I'm going to be installing this Bye Bye Knots wig by Unicehair. It is a 7x5 glueless wig in the color reddish brown, and it's also 24 inches as well as body wave. And I'm going to be showing you guys everything that came in this box. First things first is they included these really cute stickers as well as some HD caps, a wig band, and also some press-on nails, you guys. And finally, here is the wig that I'm about to unbox for you guys. But I also forgot to mention that they also sent some more wig caps, and they also included these lashes. And this is me showing you that it is 24 inches as well. And they also include a wig band for you to put in the back, which I will be installing later. As you guys can see, it is already pre-plucked and the baby hair is already come ready for you. So that's even better. And as you guys can see, this is with no makeup on, but I'm gonna apply it. But the lace head already looks so natural. But this is me applying the makeup to my wig cap just for an extra blend. I realized that the wig was a little too big, so I ended up adding the adjustable wig band to the back. And I also added some more makeup, not too much, to the actual lace, just to give it a little bit of an extra blend before I actually reinstall it and put it back on my head to try it on for the second time. Since this is a glueless wig, I'm going to be showing you guys how to melt the lace without using glue. So what I'm going to be using is this olive oil mousse, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit to the hairline well on top of the lace. And using my wig band, I'm going to let it sit for maybe like at least 10 minutes. I just started like doing something else, like I got busy doing other things, and I let it sit for a little while before I actually took it off. It's already blended and held down, but to make it blend a little bit more, I'm going to be going back in with my foundation brush and just add some on the top as well. And this is me showing you guys, no, it's not glued down, but here I am finna glue it down. And I'm not going to be really showing this process. If you want an in-depth tutorial, let me know. So I'm going to speed through this process, and then I'm going to be showing y'all the final step, which is curling my hair. Also, when using glue to install a wig, always make sure that you use 3 coats. I'm not going to show the full process again, but I did do 3 coats before I actually put it down. Also, if you do not have a full frontal, you do not have to do it from ear to ear. While doing this, I forgot that I didn't have a full frontal. It's just a 7x5, so I only apply glue to the areas that need glue, okay? But here I am just trying to make sure my wig is not like folded or overlapped before I put it down. How I install my wigs is first I press it down on top of the glue first before I go in with my comb and actually comb the glue through it. And if it's an actual piece that I missed, I would actually go back with some more glue and I would do the same process. After fully securing it, I go in with an elastic band. I don't really do wig bands because I feel like it don't make it as tight as I want it to be. So what I do is get actual elastic band and tie it as tight as I can bear it. And then after that, I would just leave it and I just let that sit while I style my hair. But this time I actually didn't. I got up and I started doing something. I think I started cleaning my room or something. So I let it sit. And after, I just took it out before I actually started styling my hair, which I usually don't do. But now it is time for the fun part, which is styling the hair. So what I'm doing is sectioning off the back part, and I'm going to be curling my hair in 3 sections. So first is the back part, and I'm going to be pinning everything else up. And these are the heat protectants that I'm going to be using. I would suggest using the Silk Elements because it's kind of oily, as y'all can see. So for the rest of the hair, I'm actually going to be going in with the Chi Silk Serum because it's not as heavy as the heat protectant was. So the hairstyle that I chose to do today is I'm going to be doing like big bedhead hair, like with the one curls, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be kind of showing y'all the process of what I'm doing. And with curling your hair, it doesn't matter the way that you curl it. I curl mine towards the face, and sometimes I do it away to the face. It don't really matter, but just make sure that after you pull the one curl out that you instantly pin it up or use flexi rods to let it sit and cool off. And I don't really use big sections because I kind of wanted my one curls to be kind of small, but after a while I kind of got tired of curling my hair. I'm not gonna lie. It's still the same process throughout the whole video. Just later in the video I kind of start to use bigger sections, but not too big to the point where the one curl can't hold a hair. But I'm not going to be talking too much. I'll pop in from time to time, but I'm kind of just going to let you guys watch the process and just enjoy the video, honestly.
You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you somebody. Careful what you wish for, make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for, one dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh baby, you know you wrong. Yeah, I know you gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. Usually I don't pose. Usually I don't pose, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah.
To take down the flexi rods, what I usually do is I just untwist them the opposite way that I installed them. And I slowly do this just so I won't have any frizz. And sometimes when you're doing this, the flexi rod will honestly just fall out, so you won't have much of a hard time. But yeah, get into that big juicy curl, like it's really giving. And like y'all can see, sometimes it just always like fall out from time to time. But after, I'm going to use this rock on hairspray just to hold the curls a little bit. And y'all gonna see this hairspray throughout the video.
Pose. Usually I don't pose, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it, don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for wasted a love out loud since we ain't going over. So tonight.
Okay, now that I've taken out all of the flexi rods and pins, now I'm going to be adding some more hairspray to the root and just all over the hair, mainly to the root because I want the hair to be big and I want it to have volume, but I'm not going to be putting my fingers through it too much or at all, honestly. Y'all can see I kind of did a little bit too much with the hairspray, which I regret, but they still came out cute. So now I'm going to gently pull apart the flexi rods with the curls. And I don't do it too much. I kind of do like 3 to 4 pulls for each curl. And this is how I'm going to give that big curly look. And try to be gentle with this so the hair won't become frizzy. Because y'all can kind of see on the end that it turned a little bit frizzy, but not too much.
Tops out, summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't want to share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it, don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for wasted a love out loud since we ain't going away. So tonight, me, timing's right. Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, me, outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it, don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for wasted a love out loud since we ain't go.
So this is the final look, you guys. I honestly love how it turned out. I love the curls. I love how big it is. It's honestly giving Black Ariel, okay, period. But you guys let me know what you think about this hair, what you think about the video overall. Like, get into the curls. Like, what? Period. But also, let me know what you guys think about the hair and just everything about it. And also, let me know if you guys try this wig out as well. I'm in love with it, and I hope you guys gonna love it as well. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.